Welcome back, everybody. Doesn't Dragonsdale sound absolutely amazing? So, your second task for today is going to be to draw your own imaginary world in the form of a map. So your map will be where your dragon lives, and it's going to include lots of different features like rivers and bridges and lakes. You can include the forest, the mountains, or roads, paths, waterfalls, castles and buildings. You could even include an exercise area where dragons go to, or you could put in a building where elderly dragons live. Now, you also want to add a compass so you know which direction you need to go to get to different places. The last thing you're going to want to do is label all the different parts of your map so that everybody knows what they're looking at. Now, I'm going to do a quick example for everybody to show you exactly what I mean in a minute. Once you've drawn all the things for your map, you could even try to cover your map to make it look like an ancient document, to make it look like an old-time map. So, here's what I mean. Let's give it a go. Okay, so I've got my map. The first thing I did was I drew the shape I wanted my map to be, and I cut it out. Then I drew in all the land and the rivers. I've added in a black bridge, the snowy mountains. I've put my compass at the top with north, south, east and west. I've put a waterfall in the east. I've put Old Dragon Island in the east. I've put the watchtower in the west and the Dragon King Castle in the west as well. And once you've done that, guys, you can try and make your map look like an old map. Now, all you're going to need is a tea bag in a little bit of water. And I've already done a little bit here. So you can get your tea bag, give it a squeeze. You don't want to soak your paper, but you want to have enough to be able to just brush lightly over. Keep dipping, keep brushing. Now, it doesn't look like it's doing a lot at the moment, but once it dries, it's going to go really, really brown, and it's going to look like an old map. So that's just an example. I'm not going to do the whole thing, but give yours a go. Add in some really interesting features. If you want to make it look old, you can use your tea bag. Enjoy, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you enjoy making your own map. Now, don't forget to also draw your dragon. You might even want to cut your dragon out so it can fly high above your imaginary world. So enjoy, let's get creative and give it a go.